My body was dying. I kid you not, throughout that, I just wanted to just scream. What's up everyone, how's it going? It's your Everyday Foodie here, back with another mukbang. And today what we have in front of us is Olive Garden. So what I have here is their tour of Italy, which on this side we have their chicken parm. In the middle we have the obvious classic, which is fettuccine alfredo. And on this side we have their classic lasagna, their meat lasagna. And then obviously we got some breadsticks, and then down here you can't see it, but I have their soup that comes along with this, and I got the zuppa toscana, which is my favorite from here. So let's just dig right in. So first let me give some taste of that breadstick. Their breadsticks are amazing. Super salty, but hey. One thing I love about dining in at this place is just getting their breadsticks and soup. Most of the time I usually only go for the lunchtime during the week. Haven't gone in a while, but always just get the unlimited soup and salad. Or just unlimited soup, really. Alright, let's dig into this chicken parm. Pretty nicely breaded here. Oof, let me get some of that cheese on there too. Oh boy, take a look at this. It's pretty solid. Look at that breading on that. It is extra crispy on there. There we go. Got that tomato sauce, some cheese, super crispy breading. Look at that. All right, let's take a bite of this. Yep, that's good. 3 of their classics right here. And they're all very good. And then in the middle we have the fettuccine alfredo, which I have to be real with y'all. They are mad slacking today on the fettuccine alfredo. I don't know if it picks it up too much on the camera, but there is barely any Alfredo sauce on this. Like, it's just literally a bunch of noodles and kind of drizzle of the sauce on here, but I wanted like doused in sauce and super cheesy, and this ain't having it with me. Sauce is still really good, but the lack of sauce, disappointed in that. And then on this side, you know, I never get lasagna from restaurants. I don't know why. It's just too simple for me. If I'm going out to eat, I want something a little more complex, something that I can't make normally at home. But it's really good. But if I can make it at home, I normally won't get at the restaurant. Like this I can make at home. This I can easily make at home. And this, take a little prep to bread the chicken and everything, but I can also make it at home. So, and also with chicken, it's like a little fact that I heard. And since then, I never really ever bought chicken from restaurants. Is that when you get chicken from a restaurant, they cook it well, but it is the most overpriced item for how simple and cheap of a dish it is, or item it is. Chicken's not expensive to buy. It's not hard to make. But it's the most overpriced dish to buy at a restaurant. Which is true. That's why I normally never get it. Before I forget, got this soup down here, so let me know in the comments below what's your favorite item from Olive Garden, or let me know what your favorite soup is, because I know they have a variety of soups there. Zuppa Toscana is my favorite. It's perfect, and they come around and ask me for like fresh cracked black pepper and also the shredded parm on top. Oh, just makes it nice and creamy. My favorite. Oops. These nice hearty slices of potatoes in here. So there's actually something I wanted to address with you that I completely forgot about saying last time. I wasn't feeling the greatest in my last video. I think I mentioned that, but I'm feeling a lot better today, which is good. And it just reminded me that I completely did not address the fact that I did an ASMR video, and that was the first one I've ever done. So, a couple things I want to say about that. I did get some comments requesting more ASMR videos, and I definitely will do more, for sure. Don't worry about that. But some people had asked if I was going to make a ASMR solely ASMR channel, and I don't think I'm going to do that. Also, some people had said that they enjoy me talking rather than just eating. I mean, you're going to get a variety of people that like every different things, right? But to address the topic of making a different ASMR channel, I don't think I'm gonna do that, at least not yet, because as much as I do enjoy ASMR videos, I personally like making mukbangs better. For the reason is that I just like talking. I mean, a lot of people are like, oh, you talk too much. No, 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 no. Well, that's who I am. I love talking, and not talking is just not something that I can handle, because the whole time I was doing that ASMR video, it's a lot harder than you think. And major props to all the people that do ASMR videos, because everything is picked up in there. You have to be very careful with your movements. You have to be very, like, you know, meticulous about it. You hit this, you hit that, it's going to pick up like crazy on the mic. And you like cough or sniffle like I always do, and or breathe heavy or something, you know, it gets picked up on the mic. So for me, when I was doing ASMR, my body was dying. I kid you not, throughout that, I just wanted to just scream, because my body was just like, I need to talk, I need to talk, I need to talk. And I know, like, people do whisper ASMRs and things like that, but whispering just doesn't cut it for me either. Because I'm talking very quietly, versus I just want to talk really loud and just like scream. So when I was doing that, literally after the video was done, I like let out the biggest sigh ever, and I was just like, I just like need to get out of my system, and I just like kind of screamed a little bit because everything was just pent up. So I don't know, that's just my feelings on it. No offense to anyone that does it, like, big props to you for doing it, because for me it was harder than I had imagined it to be. I can't sit that long without speaking. And as you can tell, I love talking. And I haven't mentioned that already, I love talking, so I will definitely be doing a lot more mukbangs, but every now and then I'll sprinkle in some ASMR videos for fun. They're fun to do, and I think they're interesting, so it's just not a dedicated channel kind of thing for me. But I hope that clears things up. But I definitely will be doing more ASMR videos, just not as much. Another thing, let me know in the comments section below what other videos you want to see me do. I'm kind of, I wouldn't say running out of ideas. There's still a lot of things that I want to do. It's just a matter of accessibility as to where I can go to these places and find proper places around here. There has been requests for, I know, Thai food. That's not an issue to do. There has been also, I think, Indonesian food, and I tried looking for that, and I just can't find any like real authentic Indonesian places. There's Malaysian cuisine, Let me know if Malaysian cuisine is similar to Indonesian. From what I could see, it seemed pretty similar, but I don't want to, get Malaysian food and then call it Indonesian food and then get backlash for that. I want to get the real deal. So, let me know what y'all want to see. Oh yeah, I need to do a seafood boil. That's another thing I've been planning. Oh yeah, another thing I was gonna mention, I totally forgot. I guess this is kind of like an update video of what I want to do, what people are asking and stuff like that. So just getting it all out there. One thing that a lot of people have also requested for me to do is a Q&A. So I'm definitely up for doing that. Let me know if you're interested in that too. I just want to, the reason I've been holding off is because I really want to do a dedicated Q&A video. Not necessarily maybe a mukbang, but like, I'll still be eating and doing something, during the Q&A. I'm not just going to sit here and answer questions, but I want to make sure that I have enough questions to even answer, I don't want to propose a Q&A and then get like 10 questions and that'll be the video, So I'm kind of holding off a little bit to do a Q&A, but I will do one, don't worry. So let me know if that's something that you're interested in seeing as well, so I can kind of gauge whom all wants to see one and if I'll have enough questions to answer and such like that. It'll be fun. Last few bites here. That was all very delicious. I've never had the lasagna from there. It's really good though. But if I were to say one thing, Olive Garden let me down on that fettuccine Alfredo. There was literally barely any Alfredo sauce on there. The sauce is still good, but the amount of it was slacking hella. But that was Olive Garden. I got the tour of Italy. All great classics, all very good, except the fettuccine Alfredo, obviously. But enough about that. And then I had the zuppa toscana soup that I didn't finish because I totally forgot because it's sitting down here. But that's my favorite to get from there. Oh, how did I forget about this? The mint, the classic mint that you get at the very end of every meal. Gotta have that right now. I'm gonna make my teeth all chocolatey. But anyways, that's a little bit of an update video, I guess you could say. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, make sure to go down below and smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel and enjoy content like this, also make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and support this channel, and hit the little bell icon next to it if you want to be notified when I be posting my next video. And with that, Of course, I hope all of you are having a lovely, wonderful day and are having a wonderful week. And with that, I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.